Alrighty, Mike, here's 427 FE motor. Give you description combinations. Got Edelbrock heads, Edelbrock manifold, EFI, multi-point, controlled by Holley Terminator X, custom grind solid roller. You got your rear sump oil pan. Winner make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 471 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 472, couldn't slap through there. Peaks horsepower 477, rated 470, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.